Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube videos in background. So let's get into it. Background play is available on YouTube mobile apps when you're signed in with your YouTube Premium membership account. By default, videos will always play in the background. To do this, open the YouTube app. Click on your profile at the top right of the screen. Start your trial if you're eligible. Otherwise, tap Get YouTube Premium. Input your credit card information and you should be good to go. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.